Sunshine's here, but is your yard feeling a little blah? Let's inject some vibrant energy with DIY spring accents on day number 2. No fancy tools needed. Use beach treasures, recycled items, and bright spring colors. Get creative and transform your space. Let your imagination bloom. Use pine cones, driftwood, or even colorful fabric scraps. Repurpose old watering cans, bird baths, or even tires. Remember, it's about embracing the season and having fun. Your spring oasis isn't just for you. Share it with loved ones. Create memories that will last all summer long. So grab your sunscreen, gather some inspiration, and get creative. Show us your Sunshine and Smiles DIY projects using #SpringYardFun. Happy decorating! Please like, share, and comment with your own spring decor ideas. You may help someone else with your awesome advice. Tip number 2, brought to you by Chris Knorr, Henthorn Real Estate, 321-229-7698. Get your key from Knorr.